our Friday celebration assembly. It's been a busy week again this week. You can see we're in a different classroom this week. I've got somebody else different helping me this week. Mrs. Allen's volunteered to come and help do assembly this week. So we're using her classroom, particularly because you can see our teddy bear this week has gone to Mrs. Allen's class. So well done for keeping it everywhere clean and tidy. So certificates this week, I'm going to let Mrs. Allen start with her class.
So in my class this week, I have given certificates to Charlie Turner for working extremely hard on your assignments this week in school and at home despite having a nasty cold, Charlie, so well done. I would also like to give a certificate to Emily Jennings for her fantastic story writing, so well done Emily, that was really lovely to read that this week.
Okay, congratulations you two, that's really nice to see. Mrs. Hugill in her class has given her awards to Charlie Henderson for working really hard with all his home learning challenges, so well done Charlie, and also Max Carroll, who it says here has enjoyed the tasks and concentrating when learning about the number 8, so well done Max.
And in Mrs. Crocker's and Mrs. Weeks' class, there is a certificate for Grayson Hammond for the amount and variety of reading you are doing at home over and above the books you have been set at school. There's also a certificate for Georgia Dales and Joshua Dales for brilliant home learning and sharing all your lovely things on the group chat, so well done. And then also an extra sneaky one for Gabriel Scanlon for helping at home with making the meals, so well done you guys.
Okay, Miss Hillary up next, and in her class she said that Harry Townsend has pushed himself to make an amazing harp. I've not seen it, Harry, but I'd be interested to see a picture of it if you've done it because it sounds really interesting, so well done. And also in Miss Hillary's class, Thea Goodwin, congratulations Thea, you've been working really hard with some very tricky maths.
And then it is Miss Lewis's class next, so Ivy Couch for persistently working hard this term and showing fantastic engagement with work on Teams from home, so well done Ivy, good girl. And Harper Taylor for some amazing work in maths. Miss Lewis says that you now know how to convert millimetres, centimetres and metres, so good girl, well done.
Oh, well done you too. In Miss Payne's class, somebody here has impressed Miss Payne and Mrs. Etherington with the amazing effort that she's putting in with her home learning, and again, particularly her maths. It's lovely to see so many people doing some good maths work, but this award goes to Elsa Donnelly, so well done Elsa. And then a young man in Miss Payne's class, some beautiful writing using a descriptive read that incorrectly. Writing a beautiful descriptive list poem called Things Found in an Explorer's Rucksack. Okay, so there's somebody thinking that could be them, and yes, Bradley Hampson, well done Bradley, that was you, congratulations.
And in Mrs. Bradnam's and Mrs. Everett's class, the certificate goes to Jake Best for the high quality of all of his home learning and challenges he has set himself, so well done Jake. And then a certificate for Millie Hayder. Mrs. Bradman and Mrs. Everett say, Millie, that you are working really hard in school every day and always with a big smile, so well done.
Okay, congratulations you two. In Mrs. Howe's class and Mrs. Mayhew's class, Darcy Wilmot has got an award this week for working hard in school and at home. Okay, doing the work at home means she's perfectly organised for when she's back in school, so well done Darcy. And then another young lady in that class, Maisie Stook, for pushing herself with her maths. It's great to see that you've been doing lots of mastery challenges, Maisie, so well done to you.
And then in Mrs. Seal's class, there's 3 girls, Olivia, Charlotte Ambler and Hannah Norman. Now girls, you've got the certificate for the same reason. Mrs. Seal said that well done for stepping in to help your peers when there was a problem. It was the right thing to do and extremely mature, and you handled the situation really well. So fantastic girls, well done.
Okay, and in Mrs. Clark's class, I don't think Mrs. Clark and Mrs. Seal have seen each other this week to talk about this, because Mrs. Clark has given Charlotte Ambler an award as well for 100% effort in all areas of learning, and also for supporting other people in your class with their learning. Keep up the amazing work, it says, so well done Charlotte. And then finally, A young lady says here, for excellent online learning, you've really worked hard. You have particularly impressed us with your amazing writing that you've been sharing. Well done, keep it up. So congratulations, Alexandra Chandler.
Oh, well done, everybody. Just before we go, we have some birthdays today. So I just wanted to say, so I've got balloons. Happy birthday to Daniel Bell and Tobias Seymour, and also Rowan and Poppy and Leon Kell. So I hope you all have a super birthday today.
Okay, have a lovely time, you lot. And we hope everybody else has a lovely time this weekend. Thank you for all your hard work this week. It's been great to see the things you've been doing at home and some of the things that have been going on in school as well. It is a tricky time. Everybody is getting a bit tired of this now, but keep working hard, keep making mums and dads smile, keep making all of us teachers smile as well, and we hope we will see you all again soon. But for now, we will catch up with you next week. Have a lovely weekend. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye, everybody.